Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. I just got back from Amor and I found pretty awesome stuff, so I can't wait to show you guys everything I got. Before we get into this, I just want to invite you guys to subscribe, ring the bell, like this video, comment on this video, join my giveaway. There's just so many things happening here on my channel and I want you guys to be a part of it. I think you guys are going to find this haul odd, but at the same time cool. So yeah, let's start this haul. The first thing I got are these bead necklaces. No, this is totally not my style. I don't even know how I can pull this off, but what attracted me most to this is actually the beads. If you look closely, they're these beautiful gray and white marble beads, and I just love marble so much. So I actually got these because I'm planning to start a new hobby, which is jewelry making. So when I found these beads, I just knew that this is the type of jewelry I would make. Well, not this particular one, but these are the type of beads I would use. So that's basically why I got these. So I got two because there were only two there. If there were more, I would have gotten all of it. But each necklace costs 199 pesos, which I think is really cheap considering these beads look really unique. I don't know where I can find these particular ones. I mean, I have seen a lot of marble beads, but none of them were really this color. So when I saw it, I just bought it. So 199 pesos each. I think that's a really good price considering the quality, and look at how much I'm getting. This is a lot of beads. The next thing I got is this Sushi Maker from the brand Sushi. I know, this is so super weird, but I don't know, it just intrigued me so much, and it was just 99 pesos, so I thought, you know, why not try it out? And I'm really one of those people who are perfectionists, so every time I try to make sushi, it just doesn't end up well. It's just the most awful sushi you've ever seen. So when I saw this, I thought, you know, maybe this would help me become a master sushi maker. So this is how it looks like. So what you end up doing, oh no, it's already broken. Well, 99 pesos. So what you end up doing is you put rice here and here and then the filling, and then you close it. Okay, well, let's just pretend this works. Put the rice and the filling on both sides, and then you close it, and then you lock it. And once it's locked, you put the... Actually, you know, I don't know how to use this. I think I just made that up. But there are instructions over here. Okay, got it. I think I figured this out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put rice on both sides, and then you'll put filling right down the center on top of the rice. And then you're gonna position this right here at the edge, and then you close it, and then you lock it. And then you're just going to twist this so that it ends up pushing the rice outwards. So basically the formed rice roll will just come out of this other side, and you will basically just put it on top of the seaweed and then roll it, and you come out with the perfect sushi ever. Now, honestly, I don't know if this is gonna work. I've never tried it, but you know, I'm super game to experiment, so that's what I'm gonna end up doing sometime this week. The next thing I got is one of my favorite buys today, and it is right here. So this is the marble serving tray in white, and it is made in India, and it is so heavy. This is one of the heavier things I bought today, and it also has to come really packaged well, or else this is gonna break. This is how the marble tray looks like. It is such a beautiful marble tile, and then it was turned into a tray, and it has these beautiful silver handles right here. And you know what, this is something that I have been searching for a while now. I've been looking for the perfect marble tray for my room, and I finally found it, and it is from the brand Gastro Chef. I really love this tray. If you look closely, the marble is a very light gray wash type of marble with a lot of white, and it has a lot of imperfections. It just looks really unique, which I really like, and it looks so polished and put together and very classic, and that's exactly my style. If I could change anything, I would definitely change the color of the handles. I wish the handles were gold. I wish the handles were gold, but you know, this is as close to perfect as I can find. And this one is 1,495. But it was 50% off. It was on sale, so I basically paid $750 for this beautiful marble tray. Now this is actually real marble. I think that's why it was very pricey, but I think that's also why I liked it. So I am so happy with this purchase, and I have to figure out how I'm gonna put this in my room because I did not expect to find one in this size. Like, it's really big. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna use this exactly, but I'm just happy that I have this. This is actually a cheese serving plate. That's what this is, but I'm gonna be using it for jewelry because I don't know, I don't really want to use it for cheese. I think it has a higher purpose. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is a dream come true for me. It's something that I have been searching for a while now. I've just never found the perfect one, and I finally found it today, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. It's actually really heavy and it's not even going to fit in the screen, but I'm just going to insert a clip so that you guys can see the whole thing. But basically, this is it. This is a side table, okay? This is a marble side table. You know what? I'm gonna unwrap it for you guys just so you can see. I found this gray marble side table at HMR and I just fell in love with it. It was actually just there for display. Like, there was stuff on top of it. It was just used to display the stuff on top, and I was like, wait a second, can I buy this? Is this for sale or is this just for display? And they were like, yeah, this is for sale. So I got it and I was so surprised at the price. This side table, and I think this is, oh wait, I don't think this is real marble. Anyway, so this marble top table was originally $1,299, but since this has a crack, so the crack is right here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's a crack right here. Since there is a crack, they ended up lowering the price, so it ended up becoming 999 pesos for this beautiful gray marble side table, and I love it. I can't believe I found it. It's such a unique piece, and I can't wait to find a place for it in my room. But of course, I didn't stop there. I wanted to find a matching side table for that beautiful gray marble one, so I ended up looking around the store, and all I found was this one right here. So this one is exactly the same style but in white marble, so I just ended up getting it. Now the thing about HMR is, since they basically sell overruns from other countries, you have no idea what they're selling, you have no idea how much stock they have of whatever they have right now, so you basically just have to take what you can find. So when I found this white marble one, I just jumped at the chance of getting it. I mean, I feel like a mismatched set is better than no set, if that makes sense. Let's open this up. Now this one I think is very, very beautiful. I love the white marble with the gray type of marbling on it. I think it's so very beautiful, and I actually wish I found another white one, but I didn't. They really didn't have one. So this one is exactly the same style as the gray one I showed you earlier, but this one is basically white on top. That's the only difference. And this also has a crack. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a crack right here, and that is the reason why they priced it really low. So I also got this one for 999 pesos, which I think is such a steal because it's such a beautiful piece, and I don't think I can find anything like this at that price anywhere else. That is it. That is everything I got from HMR. If you guys want to know more about HMR, I will leave a link in the description box for you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!